Firstly, long press the set button to enter the settings. F01 is the target temperature. Then click the set button to set target temperature. Our default temperature is 25 degrees. It can be adjusted up and down. Click set to log out. Then adjust return the difference. Tune to F02. F02 is the temperature return difference. Click set to F02. Our default is 5 degrees, either up or down. Click set again to log out. Then you can adjust F03. F03 is the protection time of the compressor. Others can be compared to the instruction book. Corresponding function model 4. F03, F04, F05. Lastly, click the shutdown button to log out.